I want them to put them husband before me.
Tell you, say, fee mother come before you.
Me a minute them people, me a go in at the cabin stabbing. For
Them
this
the realest family on YouTube, see?
Hey, K&D family.
I got talk, I don't take no talk, you know.
I miss a carry on the way.
I carry on the way. And the best thing that happened to YouTube, you know.
Put God first family.
But gotta put them family first, you know.
Put God first family. Share and subscribe. It's like a movie. Doing and carry, I can start the show. The vlog never comes so easy. When them a vlog for family. The vlog never comes so easy. Put God first family. Share and subscribe. It's like a movie.
Them are the realest family on YouTube, see?
So guys, look at this microwave here. Oh God, I tell you, make the house stink. So yesterday Coco was making popcorn and the little girl burned up the whole of the microwave. And I care what I do? The smell now go away, nor the burn out of the microwave. I must say the whole house stink. Me I burn candle, me I do everything, and it just now go away. So it seems like me have to go buy a new microwave. Cause I cannot take the smell at all. And if you know me, me can't take the look neither. But Miss Blessing here eating blueberries. She like blueberries, guys. So this morning I asked her which one she want. Grapes or blueberry. She choose grapes, but then she end up eat a little bit of it. I know she wanted the blueberry. Why would you do that, girl? Why would you do that? Ah. Come. Head, shoulder, knees, and toes. Toby, leave her alone, please. Come, Blessing, come on. Show, come on up. Head, shoulder, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Toby, leave her alone. Boy, I say she can't stand that boy. Him with her just toe to toe with the little girl, you know. Just to choose him see she eat. Toby, leave her alone, Mr. Man. Look there. I feel him footprint them here, you know. Toby, I said leave her. You see what I'm doing, guys? He want to take the food out of her mouth. Hey, none of that. None of that. Come on now. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and... Sure, guys, I just full. You ready for a beat? So, guys, this is early morning, you know. She just wake up and... Take down your foot out of my chair. Because you're not supposed to even walk in my house with no shoes. Here we are outside. Come on. Head, shoulder, knees, and toes. I try to fast with that now. That's why I'm not busy with you anymore. I'm sorry, man. Toby, me know I'm my baby shoes this you have in your mouth. Hey, boy, go on, you know. Come on, this dirty. You and Toby are the same thing. I don't know you are Toby. My two babies. Baby 1 and baby 2. Hey, my baby. No, you're not going to get this for true. Toby, go on, man. Toby, give me a little boy something. Give it to me. Say, I know. So I don't know you are she. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulder, knees and toes. Ready for take your bath? So guys, make I go upstairs now and make up my bed. And oh boy, give baby blessing a little bath. And then oh God, I can't believe this man. I don't know guys, please, if you don't have anything that I can do to even get rid of the smell. Cause the smell really bother me more than anything else. Because I'm not going to use it until. But if the smell now will come out, oh boy, I have to go and dash it out. So tell me anything that I can do. Me I want to say, if I put like vinegar in it, it will draw the smell. Them normally said to what you name the draw smell? Onion.
Yo. So I want my people, as you say, carry. My girl, tap your eyes, man. My girl. Hello, princess. What's wrong with you? You don't want to give mommy a break? You want to feel that belly button? You want to feel that belly button? I know. Yeah, so guys, baby blessing just not too long. Wake up. And boyfriend should wake up and baby says she wake up already, you know. And I stay through the window because she hear Kerry in the bathroom. Just she never did that make no noise. So you say, no, that's Kerry come out of the bathroom. A problem might be a nice she make. So as you see guys, Coco burn up the microwave. I don't know if Kerry telling us straight so she have to go look at work to buy about that. You see me, I don't know if Kerry telling her about. Get to figure work, man. She have to work, man. I already asked her if she have a buy back. She say yes. Yeah. But guys, it burn out and the color it can't come out, can change from the color. And Kerry bleach it out. The smell? No, it can't come with the smell like it burn to the plastic burn. It will take a while for that smell to go away. So even if when you warm up the food them in night and some of them, it still get a little smell like even when the food smell take it over. You understand? No, the same people them where you buy it from.
No, you buy it from Best Buy.
Them come put it up.
Yeah.
Because you have that something there. Yeah, cause we have to get a new microwave. But my people, there are a couple things that I want to address in this video. You understand? And the first thing I'm going to say address, I mean in our friend, family, organized way. But yeah guys, we drop a video with a prank on similar TV with we a prank Kerry mother, and she said something in it and me don't even know say it a go on so in the comment section. Wow. Until me go in the comment section and look and me say but wait. Wow. I saw that when I tell mom say me come first and not she, but there's somebody comment something say no, me not like that your mom say because by right Dwayne come first because Dwayne are the husband and Kerry come first and Dwayne live Ray. But you see under fear comment baby. Oh gosh, you would have think there's something wrong the lady has said. But I'm going to show you something guys. I'm going to address the part here first. With mommy, make me get used to mommy so now. Mommy understand the assignment already. Wherein, mommy tell you straight. See if Kerry vex with me, Dwayne vex with me. If Dwayne vex with me, Kerry vex with me. Because mommy know we come as one. But you see when mommy mouth ready, it not normal. She touch anything. You see me, I see in a me and Kerry life, guys, we situated where family members like Kerry's sister, Kerry brother, Kerry niece, Kerry nephew them, my sister, my brother, my father. Like we structure our thing where everybody know, even we pitney them, cause them complain every day. Them know say like when it come to family, God come first, then husband and then wife. You understand? Any way you want carry it. Any way you want carry it. And then kids and then parents. There's no way parents will come before your kids because your kids is your family. And our family, guys, is well structured that way. And for some people now, we always say, what if you're the person left? We're not married for that. We're married until death do us part. So that means that if me drop out of flesh and Kerry want to replace me with her mother, it's up to she. But you know when I say replace, I mean first place and second place. So I mean like placing people. You understand? So if you want to put your mother in the first place, so it's up to you. You understand? If you want to put your kids in, it's up to you. But once me alive, I am the person you're supposed to put first. So we're not supposed to think about what if we left, because we're not married for left. We might forget through all of the struggles them where we have a face. We might forget through all of the ups time. We might forget through all of the down time. So stop sitting down and thinking, what if we left? So we clear up the part there. Because we have a forgiving heart. So we not have a ever left. So anything Kerry do me, I go forgive her. Anything when we do Kerry, I go forgive me. Because of God we are praise. And God in the middle of our relationship.
Hungry. I know say food me didn't want to get her. Because me really and truly they're on a schedule with her where she only gonna drink 3 bottles for the day, but now she drink this is gonna make her 3rd bottle, because she should have wake up now and get something to eat. Because she eat a good breakfast this morning. She made me no warm up at all, guys. That's what she done. But your brother outside, I play. You wanna go to the back? In the trampoline? Alright, me now make you go running and jump. Change your pamper. It's okay, Mama. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Yes, guys. So as we're doing this, right? Continuing back. Like everybody see life different, and we are not forcing anything on anybody, but we do what works for us, and that is just bottom line. And as we're doing so, we'll make it that everybody around us respect or our lifestyle, because maybe it not gonna work for you, but it work for us, so we're gonna keep it that way and so forth.
And baby, yeah, you know what just sound weird? You can just imagine hear some female in the comment section, because I just be a female in the comment section and defend the action. I'm gonna get for realize
and the younger people I'm not doing
believe now you have married people inside of there. I said them not putting their husband. Kerry, read the comment section.
Yes, and
they said they are not putting their husband in front of their kids.
And you still not understand this. Most of them, they are not married. They are just saying, if them should have a husband, them not.
You have people that say, if them should have a husband. You have people that say, them go read the comments, baby man. Go read it, man. You have people in there that say, them now put them husband in front of them picnic. Never, ever, ever. Because that man can automatically walk away, leave them. You understand what I say? But tell me now how shameful it is for your husband tell you say fee mother come before you. Tell me now your husband tell you say fee picnic them come before you.
If you see anybody draw the topic here, majority of the people in the comment say them not put no man over them children, them not put no woman in front of them mother, all of those things.
And believe so you me only in a wrong part. That's why relationship no work out forever. Relationship work out for a moment of time, because if you put somebody before your husband or your wife at any time, The wife there, the husband there, I go just vanish.
People wouldn't get it, you understand? And as I say, to each them own.
And I think them get it, you know, baby. I think them get it, them just don't understand what marriage is all about. I think them get it exactly because guess what, man, know? You have people in there to say, why put them in category? Why not just spread one love overall? You understand what I say? And that is not something bad even with that thought either. But what I say is, we have to know this. You have to make the world know, say you and your wife is one. You say it's different for love it's different for love your kid. It's different for love your mother and your father. You say when it come to your wife or your husband, you become one. You and your mama are no one.
But wait, I'm gonna tell you something now. Alright then. One of my children them get married right now. And I want them to put them husband before me.
Have to.
I want them put them children before me.
Have to.
Because I have a husband that is putting me first.
Before you understand, so this is how the cycle will continue. Carrie no need nobody to put her first because she already have a husband to put her first.
That is why I said them think that way there. Because most of them will hear a time.
They want for them pick me put them before for them partner. Because so no time for real.
Because they have no partner where I put them first. You understand?
Yes, so you hear that say now, broken heart, broke other heart. You understand what I say? Yeah, but my people, we have to learn. We have to learn. You have to put your husband or your wife first. That is the momentum. Your spouse. You know it's a big man thing. It's when you become husband and wife, it's different for me because you make commitment and God. Me not talk about boyfriend and girlfriend. If you want to put your mother before your boyfriend or your girlfriend or your picnic, you talk to you, me not care what you want to do.
In a case where you're just dating the person, you cannot put them before.
Boyfriend, me I say me not care what them want. If them want to put them before, put them behind back of our side.
Me want to put a boyfriend before.
But remember, they must become boyfriend before them become husband.
And you still not, me not treat you like my husband.
So where am I forget husband?
I don't care what you want to say. If you want to get treated like a husband,
put a ring on the finger.
Make a commitment.
Simple. And that we have to say about that, my people. As I said, we have to just know what God ordained if we do in a marriage. You understand?
When me hear the daddy, talk the truth. When me hear the daddy, me never come first in your life, no matter.
If you never come first when me I date, because remember say me did love people somebody deeper than you, you know, which is my sister, you know. Like deep love, you understand what I say? But when my love grow for you now and you become a woman, then you become everything have to change, everything have to round up. So
that's why I say, but I couldn't expect you when me just was boyfriend and girlfriend.
For love you more than no, because you just a come. Remember me in a 17-year relationship with my sister and my brother them.
Right.
Before me know you just come in a 1-year relationship with me. Me no know you from nowhere. Oh, me I go love. Oh, I would have fooled myself if I think tell you say me love you more than my sister.
Alright.
I would have fooled you too, not just myself. But by growing and getting to know each other and everything, I know which part we are going to go. Somebody have to move from out of that space here. Me can't call my sister again for rub my back. Me can't call my sister again for be my confidant. You want to hate me? Talk to me now. Me can't call for them somebody again. You're going to hate me. And you be supposed to call up on. So I always remember that my people, that. And the next thing we want to jump on now, it a cause frenzy. I'm going to do a round the table talk on that topic here, guys. So I'm going to watch round the table talk for that topic here.
What?
Toy in the marriage. They want me to address it. And they want me to make a video for it specially.
Toy in the marriage?
Yeah, because when they say me aggressive, when they say me ignorant, when they say me dark, when they say I jealous, me jealous I carry. When they say this, when they call me this, when they call me that. I'm going to just calm down and address it for you. You see, in my relationship, the only toy supposed to be around here is the one we carry, where Blessing them play with and Josiah.
No, for me and you, the toy is this.
Me say the only toy in my house are the one where Josiah and Blessing play with. Any toy Kerry playing with, it's my toy. And if you want to call it teely weely, heely weely, call it that. It can't be in my house. I'm going to tell you something now, I'm going to teach you something.
I will actually have one in here.
It don't use it, use for a prank. It's a prank it they use for. And we didn't even know about the location. I think one time I see the box somewhere. When I pick them, say, what is this doing inside here? Yeah, Coco. If I never she, man. If I never she. But the only thing, guys, What I don't like when people attack me, I say me ignorant and this and that. But I'm not ignorant, means a God-fearing person. And you say you have all different type of demons. You break down this tune over and over again. Each lie
leave
you
it
tell,
alone.
Leave it, Nana. Blessing, no. Why you can't just hear off of one talk? You have to hear off of many.
And leave my book also.
You have all different type of demon. You have lying demon, sexual demon, cheating demon, predator demon. You have all different type of demons. And you see the moment you can let in one of them in a your house, just one of them demon there alone can wreck your whole house where you build for years span top of years. What you say, my baby?
Yeah.
One of them
Well, I'm
demon.
gonna tell you something, and as I said, to each them own. Like, I have my own reasons. Have I ever owned a toy? Yes. One time I get a toy, never buy it myself. Somebody gave it to me, and it forces me when me a date.
Yeah, for long distance.
Right. I had to use it, but then now I realize now that for two reasons why I'm gonna want to use it back again. One, it is very addictive.
Yes.
Right? And then now it started now where my partner can't even
Your man can't please you
me
again. Yeah.
again. So me always a pretend for you
feel good, and then you go back to your boy.
Hide,
And go back to and go back to your boy.
And do that. So me never
You're cheating.
want that.
You're cheating.
Yeah, cause obviously that is a machine and it does something. A matter of fact, you are working. The one we needed to have it was just a vibrator. You once you are control it, you know where to put it to hit that spot. So you can do it as many times as how often you want it, so you could get that pleasure. And then now with a man now it's different.
You don't even tell a man what to do, him have to try find it, and it takes so long sometime, and it doesn't replace your man. It will replace your man. That are the demon where it call in your house. It will replace your man. It will replace you, make you not want to see your man again. And woman love those things for some reason. I don't know why. I want to have man living in the house. So two things, It's easier just lower out the demon, because believe you me, you have sexual demons. And that bring in where you want threesome, you want foursome, you want dog some, puss some, you want every some. And then it get played out for you use it, yeah, so you start use it somewhere else now.
True.
So these are the things I'm gonna have to know, my people now have to take it slow, you not too much eat. You not too much eat, and I'd rather disrespect me than just allow and just say, you know what, I do it more as that. Him no want it now.
I mean, I tell you something,
me no old, me young, me can
and
work.
even when me used to do the other one, when me do the prank into, every time when me feel good, afterward me feel like a piece of doo-doo.
Yeah.
Feel like trash.
After you're done.
God no.
Me I tell you.
Me used to feel like weird.
You feel like I feel like
So I know say it wasn't right.
wasn't right. And if you live for goddamn something they can't there in your place.
And this was way before me even get baptized.
Before you get baptized.
Yeah, me always feel that way.
See it so you're guilty conscience that already, so you know say you're not something good. You understand?
Yeah,
and
you invite these sexual demons in your life. Cause them time they know you dream all kind of craziness. All of them something that you attach spiritual husband to yourself. And trust me, it deeper than we even think. But as I said, to each them own, and I'm not gonna judge anybody or look down on anybody relationship, because if it works for you, to God be the glory. I hope one day God will convict you.
yeah, and me I go tell you no Kerry session out, me I tell you no on the topic. Live for God, serve God, believe him on the topic.
Those are one of the sexual immortalities that the Bible spoke about.
Yes, stop it. Me not pretty up nothing with care about. It work for some, it work for some. The devil give gift. See the devil. Let me tell you something. You see, let me tell you that one of the first thing the devil attack with sexual desires. The devil, this is sexual desires and them thing there. And one of the first thing that the devil use pan with. I mean I tell you no have to cut it out from now, because they say you no pick me them. This them a turn down upon them. If your unborn child way in your belly.
True, yeah.
Just believe you me. We have to know these things, guys. We have to just let out them because we are getting to our next thing now. Oh, pleasuring it is to sit and watch a next person full joy in yourself. What type of pleasure do people get from that?
So I'm gonna ask you a question.
I am a man.
Well enough,
Yeah.
I want you to be real.
Yeah, I'm gonna be real.
In your younger days.
Never, because you know why? Guess why? I don't want to see a next man hard. I grow with that mood. That would drive me, that would crawl my skin so much to watch a next man getting hard. That is some GY shit. Just believe me, it started from there. You understand what I'm saying? Back then when you were used to, guys talk about, oh, batch this and batch that. Me, you think me a day in a room with my friend, no, that will never happen.
I say, I know that you go do. You think me no know?
So you see them something there guys are demonic thing. Just remember me tell you them, build them for straight the youths them mind and the youths them brain and the youths them morals. Believe you me. Believe you me. If you are keep it now your house, it no better than the one them we are keep it on video. So you have to just love out them thing them people and live your life according. We can't live easy, man. We can't enjoy ourselves, man. I want me to you. Oh, you think baby born have a full enjoyment. Toys and them thing they can bring baby. Baby born have a full enjoyment. As a carry tell you know, you will eat your partner. Give you a couple months using that. Your partner can even please you. Baiting that, be farm your farm, make him feel like he might do something. Cause you know say as him done and gone, you have something we have to sort you out quick and fast. So we have to know them little drop the guys. Some people, my day I go and hold it out, the vlog not done yet in the car. Boy around there kick some ball. I plan to buy 2 goal. One of them there, yeah.
Oh, him not get another one.
I mean, I'm kick ball at
don't
daytime.
care.
Play 1 hour.
I don't care.
Why? One goal you buy,
and
but
then,
it broke up like deadlight.
No, 2 different goal.
No,
2
one
different
goal.
time I buy a goal.
No, 1 goal you buy.
No, 2 different.
You must learn for this who buy
You
1
must
goal
learn for this.
and it broke up.
You
Who
must
buy it
learn
at me, buy it at Walmart. You never buy no
What you mean,
more.
say?
Carry me the promise him for buying back and next goal. Buy 1 goal and then break it up. We never buy
Which
back
part
no
of
more.
goal I go?
Then I understand I move. I don't know where I go in the ground. I just buy 2 goal and we can take them and put in my house. Not the little plastic one I buy the other day. You know the little one in my station, them I like so you can take it up like a piece or something them man. Portable one, and that me I go buy. No things them I see here.
Yeah, that's what it's Coco.
So guys,
No man, you're good.
the boss out here so.
You can't see it? You know can't see it.
No man, I'm good man. The boss out here so drop him later. And if you not see him there. Tell us I'm a dream if I have my son play football, you know, but boy, you know look like him like the sports from them kick him down a ball field. Man come in just like him pooper. So I go for play ball, you know, guys, and then kick me down and me no bother go back, you know. Me no bother go back because I need my foot then.
You want to play flag ball instead.
Go and kick the ball. Go kick the ball. Yeah, go kick it. Go kick the ball.
So you have to go interrupt the boy if him tell him what to do. What do I be there? Do I be around with him?
Kick 5. Juggle 5. Juggle 5. Yeah, go out there, son.
Do I be out there with him?
No.
Kira, I'm tell him so him go around and for bring Toby with him.
Gym guys. Boy can't juggle 5. You want any of the continue play football, you know, guys, with that body, you know, because 6 that. A 6. Yo, the breeze I blew a terrible out here. I say terrible mean terrible. But guys, the reason why I come out here
I have some little thing what I go do. I go spray about the yard. I know I watch the video the other day where I spray the insect spray right round the house, like on the side of the house and them thing there, because from the other day, from the time I get warm, all different type of bug are crawling from all different angles. I wonder which part them bug here come from and the house supposed to seal. But I buy a thing when I spray around the house, so I spray it already, but I go give it a spray now again. That I go do definitely. So I go take you along with the ride with me with spraying the place. So give me a minute, them people. I go in at the cabin stabbing for the spray. Yo, in there full, you know. Yo, uno no want to see in the cabin. Me say in there full, and me fi tell you no. Nothing nice no in there. You hear that? I carry do it, so. And if you tell her, say, I carry do the house, so. And if you tell her, say, she do it, she say, no, ain't nothing in there for you. I tell you. So, my people, this one I use, I never get to tell you the name. It name Bug Stop. You see me? At the barrier, them call it barrier, where it help the bugs them from not come inside of the house. So guys, wanna stay along with me with the ride. The boy, I tell you, this a pool you coming like, what's your man? You never can realize say it's a pool to it bend up and dent up. Boy, I tell you. So I'm gonna start from that corner here, my people, and start going right around the house. So guys, from what here, me I do everything in the yard. Me I treat the grass. You want me to say me I do everything? Me I do everything, guys. Me I treat the grass with the weed killer, everything. And you know me I step up the thing. Last time I sprayed this, it mashed up my nose. Like it have a smell when it's normal. Last time I sprayed it mashed up my nose, so make sure I put on, you know, mask.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my Back up on the scene, done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seems like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you're done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the hole. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now. I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit. Back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you. Don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you. Don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you. So I'm back. Yeah, bitch. Back on my boogie. Back on my dish. You in the studio. Back on tequila. Back on the strippers. All the groupie hoes. This could get ugly. I'm petty. I want you bad out of smoke. I'm coming crazy, baby, baby. One thing that you should know, little baby, better back, yeah. Act like you a stranger, yeah. Memory loss, I play it like that. Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded up the phone, you too gorgeous, too important. Blue dream inside the roll up, hold up. Watch me go up, leave you so stuck. I'm back and I'm better, take me one bitch on my level. Ain't no question, I'm a legend, baby. Don't ever forget it. No, you see me rolling in this rose gold, so cold. Oh no, I can't fuck with lames like you no more. Back up on the scene, out here acting foolish like I'm 17. I just bought a new whip, blow me gasoline. I just seen your new bitch posted
Just done do the spraying and the little thing and, you know, get that out. But, you know, I come for tell you now, you see the reason why we have to spray it so much. I say if you don't keep up with them spraying something here, the whole insect part of the house, insect will name down your house. You will there in your house and see all flying ants. You say everything down your fly. So you have to just take all of the precaution them what them tell you to do. So that we are doing my people. So as we there I go easy back guys. They have to edit up some video and things so like blessings to you always, and remember God is love, and stay positive guys and stay focused and keep your eyes on the prize, and the prize is salvation. You understand? Big up on yourself my people. Until next time, we are out.
Simula TV Barbecue. Join us for a fun-filled day with music, food, drinks with your favorite YouTube family. Simula TV.
I bust off Kerry head clean, so just go and sing our song. We don't know our song already. It's like a movie, but we are gonna make Kerry start the show today.
Saturday, May the 18th from 11 a.m. till 10:30 in the night.
You know, it bought me. But me laughing. I will come up here and give me the joke.
Yo, my people, right over there, I represent the Simula TV Barbecue / meet and greet.
Right here, so. So guys, I'm gonna run out, you know, and buy on the ticket from now.
A day and night event. Location 5568 Highway 81, Loganville, Georgia, Atlanta 30052, United States. Come join us at the Simula TV Barbecue for a sizzling good time. Get ready to indulge in mouth-watering authentic Jamaican cuisine and enjoy the company of your favorite YouTube family. This event is all about celebrating, so bring out everybody to enjoy this fun-filled day. Buy your tickets today to enter the raffle to win big prizes. You can be one of 3 lucky winners. Tickets available now at eventbrite.com/Simula TV Barbecue. Don't miss out on your chance to get autographs, snap selfies, and bust 2 moves with Dwayne and Kerry. Bounce house and treats for the kids will be available. Join us for a day filled with laughter, good food, and unforgettable moments.
Yeah man, get to the ticket for people at eventbrite.com and search up Simula TV Barbecue.
This event is in person, so bring your comfy chairs. Get ready to relax, socialize, and make lasting memories at the Simula TV Barbecue.
You can also get the ticket at where, baby? Stars and Stripes what?
Barbershop.
Physical tickets available at Stars and Stripes Barbershop, 1009 Athens Highway, 78 Loganville. And remember the link up, meet and greet, Saturday 18th, 11 a.m. it starts, right through till 10:30 p.m. at night. Location 5568 Highway 81 Loganville, Georgia, Atlanta. Simula TV Barbecue. This is going to be an amazing day out. Don't miss it.